At MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, you're not just a number. We offer individualized care for each of our patients, plus prescription delivery and medication management.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community, MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.
Hey everybody, welcome back to MedsPLUS Medical Minute. I'm Dr. Jennifer, your pharmacist, and today we're talking about something that I get really excited about. This past Friday, April 25th, was National DNA Day. Now you might be thinking, why is a pharmacist talking about DNA? Stay with me because at the end of these next few minutes, I want you to understand something powerful. Your DNA isn't just about ancestry. It's not just about whether you'll have grandma's eyes. Your DNA is one of the most powerful tools we have to personalize your medications right here, right now. At MedsPLUS, we're doing this work every single day. So let's get into it. So first, a little history. DNA Day actually celebrates two huge moments in science. In 1953, two scientists published the discovery of the double helix. That's the twisted ladder shape of your DNA. Then about 50 years later, in 2003, scientists completed something called the Human Genome Project, which mapped out every single gene in the entire body. That is a big deal because what that means is for the first time in history, we can actually look at your unique blueprint and use that information to make decisions about your health. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Your genes don't just determine your eye color or your height. They determine how your body breaks down medications, how well you absorb certain nutrients, how your hormones are processed, how your body handles stress, sleep, and detox. And when one of those pathways isn't running efficiently, you feel it. Fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, weight that will not budge, hormones that feel out of control. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought it might. Now, here's where this gets interesting for me as your pharmacist, because for years, I would see patients come in on the same medication and get completely different results. Let's take antidepressants, for example. One patient does beautifully on a low dose. Another patient takes the same medication and feels foggy, exhausted, or anxious, and then goes on to try 3 or 4 different medications before finding the right fit. Another example are statin medications. Some patients tolerate them just fine. Others develop muscle pain so severe they can barely function, and they end up off the medication entirely. For a long time, we just chalked that up to everybody is different. But now we know why. It's in your genes. Your DNA tells your body how to process medications, absorb nutrients, clear hormones, and support your brain, your heart, and your immune system. That is why here at MedsPLUS, we offer genomic testing right here at the pharmacy. And yes, right here in Birmingham, helping our community move from guessing to actually knowing what their body needs. Now, you may be asking yourself, who should consider testing? So who is this for? I'm glad you asked. Honestly, anyone who wants to take a more personalized approach to their health. But let me tell you who really benefits the most. If you are someone who has tried medication after medication and nothing seems to work the way it should, this is for you. If you are a woman in perimenopause or menopause dealing with fatigue, brain fog, weight that won't budge, hormones that feel completely out of control, this is for you. If you have been told your labs are normal, but you know in your body that something is not right, this is for you. If you struggle with anxiety, mood, or sleep, and traditional approaches haven't given you the answers you have been looking for, this is for you. If you are sensitive to medications or you react to supplements that other people seem to tolerate just fine, this is for you. If you are someone who is proactive about your health, who wants to know how your body is built so you can make smarter decisions today to protect your future, this is absolutely for you. The truth is, your DNA is not changing. So this is information you can carry with you for the rest of your life. One test, a roadmap for decades of better health decisions. That is the power of genomic testing. So next, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how that works with MedsPLUS, because I know the word or the phrase genomic testing can be intimidating. Step 1, you schedule a consultation with us. We talk about your health goals, your symptoms, your medications, and what you're hoping to learn. Step 2, we do a simple cheek swab. That's it. No needles, no blood draw. It takes about 2 minutes. Step 3, your sample is sent to our partner lab, and within a few weeks, we have your personalized report. Step 4, we review with you what your genes are telling us. We walk you through how your body processes medications, which nutrients you may need more of, how your hormones are being cleared, and where your body could use some extra support. Then we build a plan for you together, a plan that is built specifically for you, not a one-size-fits-all approach. That is the difference. That is precision wellness. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to drop a link in the comments. If you've been listening to this and thinking, this sounds like exactly what I have been looking for, I want you to take action today. Visit our website, schedule a consultation for genomic testing. Whether you are dealing with stubborn symptoms, medication that isn't working, or you simply want to be proactive about your health, we are here to help you understand your body on a whole new level. We're not just filling prescriptions, we are partnering with you to help you live well on purpose. So now I'm going to drop that comment into the chat. And next, I have some exciting news of what's going to be happening at MedsPLUS this Friday. Yes, it is Wellness Friday. Dr. Pauline and I are so excited to be able to bring this to you, our community, Facebook community, social media community, our patients, partners, friends, the city of Birmingham, all is welcome. We will have, our first treat we will have is IV hydration, and that will be provided by Live Well Hydration. And I'm going to drop that link in the comments as well. That didn't go quite right. But if you've been on our social media pages, if you've been following MedsPLUS, Dr. Jennifer, Dr. Pauline, you've been seeing us post everything online. For the hydration treatment, that is a booking. So I just dropped that link in the comments for you to be able to book a time for your hydration. This link gives you access to the specials that we will have here at MedsPLUS on Wellness Friday. This Friday, y'all, May 1st. Come by yourself, bring a friend, bring a loved one, someone that's stressed out. It's male and female. Anyone is welcome, but be sure to book your appointments for the IV hydration. Our next treat is going to be therapeutic massages to be given by Phenomenal. And if you guys know her, you know she does an amazing job. Now, those appointments for the massage, there are no appointments. Those are walk-ins. There will be chair massages, and there'll be 10 minutes for $25. So, like I said, bring yourself, bring someone, come on lunch, come when you leave early on Friday. We know you don't work the whole day on Friday. Those of you all that work from home on Friday, come on by 12 to 5, get your IV hydration or schedule your IV hydration, or come by and get a therapeutic chair massage by Phenomenal. She is phenomenal. So guys, thank you so much for joining us, not only this Monday, but every Monday that we come to you. Our goal is that we engage, educate, and empower you to become the champion of your health. And being able to provide this fun day for you all, for the community, is something that's so near and dear to Dr. Pauline and I. And we want it to be a wellness focus because we want you to take care of yourself, take care of each other, and remember, your health is worth the investment. Until next time, you all have a beautiful day. Goodbye.
At MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, results matter. Empower your health journey with a pharmacy that puts you first. Plus, we offer prescription delivery and medication management.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community. MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.